What's up, guys? What's up? Another day, another dollar. Let's just chat. Let's make this a chat video. Talk about anything and everything. Just me and you. Since I have a camera in front of my face, might as well make a video. So much easier to make a video with when you already have a camera running. I have a camera running all the time in my vehicle, so since it's just me and you, let's see. Thoughts. Voice my thoughts. So I have a lot of videos in my computer. Still gotta get through them, guys. I want to upload a video of that female that I was teaching when she finally got behind the wheel. So that video is coming soon. I have to edit it. She had a little bit of cuss words here and there, so I gotta bleep those out. I have another video when I got hit when I was driving the bus, and the hit wasn't that bad. I mean, the person that hit me, it was an older driver, and they sideswiped. They just damaged the right side of their vehicle. The back of the bus that I was driving, the back left side of the bus, just some scrape marks, that's all. It was, the bus has a hard bumper, one of those steel bumpers, so it's not like a plastic bumper or anything like that. So that video, I need to upload that video too, and then I have to look at a bunch of other videos that I got in there. Yeah, so just so much easier just making content with a dash cam, because you're just talking away, talking your thoughts. If you have anything in mind. Another thing about dash cams is that
in 1,000 feet, turn right onto US 1 North East Fordham Road.
Another thing about these dash cams, like I was saying, is that that's your evidence right there. If somebody hits you or something, they could work. The camera dash cam could work for you or against you. It could work for you because if you get hit, you got your evidence, but and these dash cams should, especially when they're recording inside, it's in cabin, it can make you a better driver, because it's like you're being watched. So if God forbid you crash into something, the dash cams could work against you, because if that footage is taken by cops or the courts want to see it, then they see that you were looking down, if you crash into something. So yep. So dash cams are really awesome to have, So this is the Bronx. This is the Bronx, guys. Look at this guy. So if you guys want to take a look at the Bronx, here we go. This is the Bronx. We are on 3rd Avenue and East Fordham Road right now. I used to live in Iowa. What a culture shock, I went from New Jersey to Iowa. I grew up in New Jersey, and then I moved to Iowa. I lived in Iowa for 10 years, and it took me about 2 years to adjust to Iowa culture. I was homesick for 2 years. Then I adjusted, lived there for 10 years. I can't believe it. Iowa's not a bad place for raising your kids. So different over there. From Iowa, I moved to Florida. I only lived there for like 5 months, 5-6 months, half a year. Couldn't find a job over there, believe it or not. But it is what it is. I moved over to the northeast. Yep.